Welcome to Goroo, your one-stop trip planner, powered by the RTA. Use Goroo to help you travel throughout Chicagoland, whether you want to take a bus, train, walk, bike, drive, or use any combination of these modes. Goroo can help you. Here's how Goroo works. It's simple and easy. First, log on to our website at goroo.com. Begin by entering your starting point. This can be an address, an intersection, or a landmark. Let's say we were at Brookfield Zoo. Next, type in your destination. And let's go to downtown Chicago. Let's put in the RTA's address. Finish by selecting the date and time you'd like to leave or arrive at your destination. And then click on the icon that says, "Take me there." You'll notice that you have several travel options to choose from: driving, taking a train, taking a bus and train, or a combination of several travel modes. Each one gives you an estimated travel time, and you can break down your travel by the quickest route, cheapest route, the route with the fewest transfers, and the route that requires the least amount of walking. There's also an interactive map just below that will provide details on the route you've selected. And you'll never have to wonder about what the weather will be like, because there'll always be an updated weather forecast that will give you the most accurate and up-to-date weather information. Let's opt to take the train to our final destination. As I click on the link to take the train, you'll notice that I can find out how long it will take to get to my destination. I can even find out how much it will cost. And if you're eco-friendly like me, you can see how you're contributing to improving our air quality. Goroo offers many other features to make your trip planning complete, like a comprehensive schedule of all CTA buses and trains, PACE buses, and Metro trains. Imagine the convenience of knowing when your next bus or train will arrive or depart. You'll also find information on an array of attractions like museums, restaurants, and other entertainment venues once you arrive at your destination. There's even travel tips to ensure you have smooth and safe travels. Have a favorite route or train line? Sign up for email alerts and get the latest service updates, all by creating an account. So the next time you travel, whether by bus or train, biking or walking, or even driving, let Goroo show you the way. It's the quickest, cheapest, and greenest way to get you there. Goroo, better directions, better trip planner.